Did you know that looking for a pen can destroy your entire life? Meet Carlos. He opens his kitchen junk drawer to grab a pen, but instead of taking the first one he sees, something clicks in his brain. This drawer is a mess, he thinks. I'll just organize it real quick. 2 hours later, every single item is sorted by size, color, and how often he uses it. The pens are grouped together. The batteries are lined up perfectly, but now the other drawers look terrible compared to this one. Carlos drives to the store. He buys containers, labels, and dividers. Lots of them. One drawer becomes 5 drawers, then every drawer in the kitchen, then the bedroom, then the closets. His phone keeps ringing. Work emails pile up. His family watches him spend 14 hours organizing twist ties by length. 3 weeks later, Carlos sits surrounded by perfectly labeled containers for things he never uses. His boss has called 6 times. There's no food in the fridge, all because his ADHD brain couldn't just grab a pen and walk away.